Hello Starlights, I've been on for a while, but I have been making these bookmarks, and each one of them have an image of a watercolor art that I've done recently, and also just like a nice saying. So for instance, this one says, I am taking my time in this busy world, I am not in a race to perfection, and I shine in my own way. And so it's just a little reminder for everyone that's reading, and I'll also be doing cute little markings of these. So it's a little cutter, and this one is in the shape of a butterfly. And I've also got this shaped cutter which has 3 different edges that a piece of card could have. So I'll be choosing this rounded edge and also this side. So it's going to look like that. Annoyingly, because I can't see what it looks like at the bottom, I have to look at the metal bits. So edge, and there we go. There. And then pop it. And there we are. That will be the final look. And then for another design, which will be this 2-edged bit, which is nicely cornered off if you do get one of these. And there we are. Nicely rounded, so there's either a triple edge or this double one here, and that's what I'll be doing for the rest of my designs. And then for my table displays, I'll have a little wooden block underneath each of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.